Hey guys! Welcome back to FoneLab Studio. Have you unintentionally deleted any of your iPhone's call logs or call history? This can be a major issue, mainly if the call history contains certain unsaved phone numbers you urgently need to retrieve. If you have a backup, all you need to do is restore the device from the backup, and your previous call history will be available. But if you don't have a backup or don't want to restore the whole backup to get the call history back, you could require a unique method to locate and examine your lost call history. Many tools provide a solution to your problem. However, you must be wise and choose the best that truly helps you. With that, we recommend FoneLab iPhone Data Recovery. This third-party tool can recover all your iPhone data that are lost or accidentally deleted directly. Also, you can selectively recover any data without the need to restore the whole backup, which means it can recover even your call log or history with ease. To get this tool, visit our page, FoneLab.com, or simply click the link in the description. Download this tool, and we will show you how to recover the deleted call logs on your iPhone. To begin, launch the tool you've downloaded. In the Tools interface, select iPhone Data Recovery among the other iOS tools. Once entered, you will see 3 recovery features. Choose Recover from iOS, then plug in your device. After it is connected, click the Scan button, and the tool will show all the data you can recover. Once the scanning is finished, go to the Call History tab, then mark all the call numbers you need to restore. If you already marked them, click the Recover button and wait for the recovering process to be finished. As easy as that, your call logs are retrieved. iPhone call logs are mostly ignored until you really need them. Unfortunately, having to recover deleted phone calls isn't exactly simple. However, FoneLab iPhone Data Recovery is a powerful tool that recovers any deleted or lost data from your iPhone. With this tool, you will not worry about losing data as you can quickly recover them through this tool. So what are you waiting for? Get it now. We hope this helps you. For more videos, visit our channel FoneLab. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.